So realization of the function ABCD. So sigma 0, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 using and NOR combination. So already we have seen NAND and combination in the previous video. Now ABCD 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. You fill up the decimal values. So for 0, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, that is 0, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, you fill up 1. All other boxes you fill up with 0. So after simplification, what you will get is, so if you combine this, you will get C bar D bar. If you combine this, you will get A D bar. And if you this box is left out, so you can combine this way, so you will be getting A D bar because A is common and D bar is common. Okay. Now for what you do is, first realize this function using in a simpler way, that is NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. So A bar, B bar, C bar, draw the lines, then AND function. Now you join C bar D bar, first one, then you have A B bar and then A D bar. So this is OR function, you have OR gate. Now the question is, we have to implement using AND and NOR combination. So what you do is, convert all these four NOT gates with using NOR gate. Leave as it is this AND gate. So this OR gate alone has to be converted. So what you do is, you insert a bubble and insert one more bubble. That means two NOT gates gets cancelled. Therefore you can realize a OR gate. So that's the only difference. So the difference alone I have shown in the next slide. Okay. So the realization part will be, so A, if you short the two inputs of the NOR gate, it will act as an inverter or NOT gate. So you have introduced four NOT gates using NOR gate. Just draw the straight lines. There is no difference in AND gate. The connection, everything is same. Only thing is, the OR gate alone has to be converted into NOR gate. So what you do, this is OR gate, but I want NOR gate, so introduce a bubble, and this is also a bubble, NOT gate. So both the NOT gate gets cancelled and finally you will get OR gate. That means I have realized this OR gate using NOR gates. So you will get the output, same output, that is Y is equal to C bar D bar plus A B bar plus A D bar. This is the output required. Thanks for watching. Nandri.